Good morning, everyone. A very quick question for all of you. After you're just born, what is the very first thing you do? And it is the same thing, which is the last thing you do just before you die. And the answer is very simple, you breathe. These breaths are the key element which are keeping us alive. It is the key of life, the very first thing we do. Yet we never tend to focus on it. How should our breaths be? And how should we breathe in a proper way to enhance our life and everything, every aspect of our life? It is the first connection we have with the universe outside us. And breathing will improve the universe inside us. That is what breathing does. So, why do we tend to forget about it? Because we take it for granted. We are alive means we must be breathing. What's there to think about it? But this is one area of your life which needs very, very proper attention to it. Look at animals like dogs and cats. They breathe very fast, up and down. They just keep breathing, maybe 30 times, 40 times a minute. And what is their lifespan? 8 years, 15 years, 20 years. Look at an animal like a tortoise, breathes probably 4 to 5 times a minute. Average lifespan 150 years. Some live up to 255 years. So, we humans are programmed to breathe in a relaxed way. Look at babies. They breathe very slow, very relaxed. And when babies breathe, their bellies inhale when they breathe in. This is one big mistake we do. We try to inhale in the chest and compress our belly. No, that is not what should be done. When you breathe in, your belly should expand. And when you breathe out, not just belly, your entire upper body should expand. And when you breathe out, your entire upper body should just go in. That is the proper way to breathe. And that is how we are supposed to breathe, and in slow, relaxed manner. Now, why is slow breathing so important? Understand this, we have two nervous systems. One is the sympathetic nervous system, which is always in fight or flight mode, and the other is parasympathetic nervous system, which focuses on repair and growth and healing of the body. Now, understand this, when you are in a forest and you are being chased by a lion, your immunity, your growth, your healing don't matter. You have to get away from there. And that is what sympathetic nervous system does. It sends all the energies to your hands and legs and everything. And it shuts down your body's immunity system, growth mechanism and everything. Because survival is the key. Now, when you are in stress, maybe it is because you are not getting promotion on time. Maybe it's because you have not received your salary yet. Various factors. It is not life or death situation. But your nervous system on the subconscious level cannot distinguish that, and it treats your body like that, and it shunts your growth, it shunts your healing, it shunts your repair and everything. So what you are supposed to do, how to switch on the parasympathetic nervous system, which enhances your digestion, which enhances your healing, which enhances your growth? Simple, by slowing down your breaths. That is how you will connect with the universe outside you and improve the universe inside you. There are various kinds of breathing tutorials out there. Make sure you inhale and expand your upper body, including your belly, and when you exhale, you contract your upper body, including your belly, and try to do it as much as possible from your nose and keep your breath slow and long, relaxed. That will really, really improve your life in every possible way. Have a great day.